Oral presentations, English, level 2. Introduce myself, talk about my trip in the National Park of the Cajas. The weather is the National Park of the Cajas. Recommendations is you go to National Park of the Cajas. My name is Diana Carolina Arevalo. I like it in Ipiales. I have 23 years old. I am married. I study zootechnics. National Park of the Cajas. National Park of the Cajas is located outside the city of Cuenca, being a natural reserve. Everything is clean and there are things that help preserve nature. The weather is cold and the place is beautiful. Recommendations: 1. Perform waltz on the Hill of Three Crows. 2. Visit Lake Lagortococha. 3. Practice sport fishing. 4. Camping on the shore of Lake Toreadora. 5. Wear comfortable and warm clothing. 6. It is advisable to bring extra food. 7. Use sunscreen because the day is very hot. 8. Bring a camera to capture just beautiful landscaping. Photographies. The end. Thank you.